Let's look at two sentences here. Number one, he should have taken the umbrella. Number two, he must have taken the umbrella. What's different between these two sentences? Should and must. Let's look at the structure. What structure are we talking about here? Should or must plus have plus past participle. Okay? Now what's the difference between these two sentences? Let me start by asking you a couple of questions. Does he still have the umbrella? In sentence one, does he have the umbrella? No, he should have taken the umbrella. He didn't take it. Sentence two, does he have the umbrella? He must have taken the umbrella. So yes, he does. Is there an umbrella here now? He should have taken the umbrella. Is there an umbrella here now? Or is it gone? He should have taken the umbrella. It's still here. He didn't take it. He must have taken the umbrella. Is there an umbrella here now? No, because he took it. Now I want you to imagine this situation. This morning, when we arrived at school, the window to the office was broken, the computers were missing, and lots of personal belongings were gone. I'm going to divide the class into half. This half here, I want you to make sentences about what must have happened. This half here, I want you to make sentences about what we should have done. Okay? Let me repeat the situation. It's morning in the school, the windows are broken, the computers are gone, and lots of personal items are stolen. They're not there. This group, what must have happened? This group, what we should have done. Okay? Go.
The idea for this exercise that I did, focusing on two sentences with a minimal difference, was called a minimal pair grammar activity. Okay? The minimal pair activity traditionally was used in pronunciation. There was a famous book called Ship or Sheep, which was all minimal pairs. So two words that are the same, but for one difference. Ship, sheep, yeah? In grammar, that means taking two sentences that are exactly the same and you make one small difference in the verb tense or the choice of a word class or something like that. So grammatically, they're different. And then you have those on the board and you kind of elicit focus on form. So at the beginning I asked about the form, what kind of verbs they were, what kind of tense followed it. Elicit questions about the meaning, elicit answers about the meaning. So I did concept check questions asking, for example, where the umbrella was, if you remember. And then from that, set up a practice activity which would practice both of those different forms. I got this idea from a book, an activity book called Grammar Simply by Scott Thornbury in the Oxford Resource Book series. I think it's a wonderful book with lots of different grammatical focus activities, a bit like that. I think you could use this activity type or this method, the minimal pairs grammar, anytime you have grammar points that are often contrasted. So for example, present simple and present continuous. For example, there is, there are, for much lower levels. Second conditional versus first conditional. Present perfect versus past simple. I think all of those lend themselves well to this kind of minimal pair work. I also think you could probably do minimal pair work with comparing structures, one in English and a structure in the student's own language if you speak their language. That's also another way of doing it.